Are you sick and tired of spending hours writing YouTube scripts? Well, what if there was a free AI tool that could do it for you in minutes and it was actually good? Well, I'm going to share it with you in this video. It's not ChatGPT, so let's dive straight in. So what is this amazing free AI tool? Well, it's Google Bard. Yes, Google Bard got laughed out of the room when it first came out, but it's improved a lot, and there are 3 reasons I prefer using it to ChatGPT to write scripts. So let me show you why. So to get Google Bard, just go to bard.google.com or click on the link in the description, and then input this prompt: write a YouTube script about, and then insert your topic. Now, for the best results, you need to give it a really specific title. For example, the 10 most common mistakes people make when trying to lose weight. Now, numbered lists like this work really well because it brings a lot of structure to the video, and it's also great for viewer retention as people want to stick around and find out all 10 common mistakes. So the first reason I prefer using Google Bard to ChatGPT to write YouTube scripts is because Google Bard is connected to the internet. ChatGPT is 2 years old at this stage. So if you want to create videos about the latest news, tools, or trends, then you really should be using Google Bard. Now, here are some other prompts you can try to write YouTube video scripts. Write a YouTube script for an explainer video about, and then input your topic. And this is a great prompt because it will answer all the key questions about that topic. These are the questions that people really search for in Google. Now, another prompt you can try is to write a YouTube script for a step-by-step tutorial about whatever your topic is. And it will write a very structured step-by-step video, which also is great for viewer retention. Now, the second reason why I like using Google Bard to write YouTube scripts is because they have this feature where you can actually get 3 drafts of your video script straight away. Click between each of them and pick the best version for you. Now, the third and final reason I like using Google Bard to write YouTube scripts is because they have this feature where you can export your draft script directly to Google Docs, and this is such a better experience than copying and pasting from ChatGPT, where you have all those formatting issues. So there you go, try it out for yourself. Click the link in the description, like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel if you want to get more tips about using AI tools to create YouTube videos faster. Thanks for watching.